Morning friends, this is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 13th of November, and let's see what's happening in the market today, and what happened yesterday, and how is the impact, what can happen in the market. Let's actually understand everything in detail. If you're not been in a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe the channel and hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notification. So let's get started guys. What happened yesterday? Let's understand this. Yesterday we have been in a option expiry, though actually market wanted to correct, it couldn't correct much. So after the stimulus package was announced, we saw some amount of traction on the upside, but still the momentum was not enough for actually carrying on the upside. And as you know, the virus is spreading all across, and that is actually impacting. And see, though that is only a news guys, that is not something which the market doesn't know. Market knows about this all the time, but more importantly, when somebody else says, like Powell actually again reiterated, which actually you may see as from the news perspective, but for me, what I look at it more from the point of view of profit booking. We saw some profit booking happening in Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, but in the last hour I can actually see that all of them have started taking supports, whether it is Nasdaq or S&P or the Dow Jones. All of them have started taking support, and according to what I can see, I don't see much of downside here, and it's quite obvious that when we have moved up so much, a little bit of profit booking can come, and that has happened. And the same thing has happened with the Indian market, and probably the opening looks like the future says that we may open somewhere around 12,630 range. We may open and we may go a little down also. I've been telling you, we have come to a place where we may start moving in a range between 12,600 to 800. Probably that is the same thing which will happen. If it goes below 12,600, I will be more interested to look at buying opportunity, and from here again market may move higher. So that's what I can see. I don't see much of downside happening at this point of time. Even in the bank nifty, 28,000 could act as a good support. So if it comes anywhere below 28,000, I'll be looking more from the buying perspective. We may be in bank nifty, we may be moving in the range between 28,000 to 29,000, and if at all any downside comes, we can probably look at that opportunity. At this point of time, the momentum is quite strong. I don't see any reason for us to get into any kind of a shorting. Probably market is trying to move towards making much more higher is what I can see. So I'll be more interested and looking at buying opportunity rather than any selling opportunity at this point of time, because we don't see anything which is a conclusive reversal, and there is no much volume when that has happened. So there's a volume at a much lower level where there is a lot of buying which has happened. So I would be more interested to look from the long perspective. Whenever the market is going to go down, I'll be more interested to buy. So from my perspective, we are not seeing, we are seeing some amount of downside. Yesterday I told you we need to start becoming cautious, because we are in a highly overbought situation guys. This is actually bound to happen. When we are in a highly overbought situation, profit booking can come. And what I told you, 1,750 was 750, 750, 65, somewhere in that range. We have actually, it is giving some amount of resistance, and somewhere around 12,550, 600 levels, I think we will start taking support. At that level, it's better for us to be on the long side, and from here market may again steadily start moving back, and it can continue it upside, because it would gain more strength, and it will be able to move further higher. And probably once bank nifty can cross 29,000, maybe it could probably move towards 30,000 also. So we will have to wait and watch, and if we are getting a good opportunity, we will look at buying, guys. So that's what I can actually look at, what I can see here. So that's what I can tell you at this point of time, guys. And gold, silver again are in the range. It's not actually doing anything else. uh, Crude oil, as I was telling you, at the higher levels we could start seeing some amount of traction. I would see it will actually again go in a range, and no matter if market moves much more higher, I don't see too much of upside which is actually left out in crude oil. So whatever is going to happen, it will be minor up move if at all it happens. Otherwise, overall, the gold, silver, and crude oil is flat to negative, and the stock market, as I am reiterating, it is actually bound to move on the positive side only. Now, whatever. If you see the futures, whatever it is suggesting 12,630, 640, at which we are going to stand, it's almost the same place which yesterday also we took support. Probably we may move another 40-50 points down from there, and if I look at the whole from the higher level, 12,650 level, 750 level, maybe around 150-200 points correction is quite okay, and it is not actually treated as any major thing. It is actually a simple profit booking which is quite possible. And even for bank nifty, on an average it moves around 500 points in a day. So 1000-point correction from the top is actually quite okay with the bank nifty. So we will be more looking from the point of view of buying. As we get any dip, we will look at the buying opportunities, guys. This is what actually I will be more looking at today's trade. And that's what I need to say. If you like this video, then please actually subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you're not a part of my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel and share it with all your friends. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day, guys.